For elegance, the slim form and versatile mounting options blend seamlessly with your home interior. Powered by Sony's X1 Extreme 4K HDR processor, objects on screen are individually remastered for true-to-life depth, contrast, and texture. Slim Backlight Drive Plus. Its quad-edge LED structure enables contrast that surpasses traditionally backlit LED panels, all within a significantly slimmer body. Brightness is precisely controlled for excellent depth, sharpness, and color. With Android TV, a world of entertainment choices are yours to explore. Just say the word, and voice search will find it quickly and easily.